here for Shane. Good luck, man. Let's get it. All right. We will begin with Denzel Valentine. Silver. Followed by Kevin Knox. Oh, that's a nice piece. You're going to like this. It's a good thing Gary's not here. He might fight you for this one. Tiger Stripe rookie, RJ Barrett. Nice, man. That's sweet. Great hit. All right, then we have an autograph of Bob Lanier. Heck yeah, dude. Rookie, number /88 of Alan Smajelic. All right, in our tricolors, we've got Andre Roberson. Rookie. Good rookie here. Cameron Johnson. And we will finish it up with one of the Morris twins, Marcus. And that will round out box number 2 on the Prizm Choice. Shane, congrats, man. Nice piece right there on the RJ. I will get it all packed up, shipped out ASAP, brother.